True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So my location is in Catawba in St. Elizabeth. So big up all the Catawba people them, big up all the Frenchman people them. We can big up on yourself. Yeah man, anyone know what channel you can big up on yourself. I think if you make the right turn here now, don't remember if you take it to, don't know if it's Punches or Frenchman, I don't remember the exact name. But I will not do that video today. Yeah man, but I think we are in the Catawba area right now, heading towards the Salt Spring area. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. One love and one heart. On your right, you have the Catawba Basic School. So remember, you can drive here, go to the Black River Town area. Yeah man. Oh, the bird could have gone. See a whole heap of thatch tree down here, so when people want to build them thatch hut, them just come and slipe and cut a lot of thatch, you know. Yeah man, so you have crossed the bridge now. Yeah man, them call that so the Salt Spring area. Oh, road bad. Ugh.